chord exercise that I'd like to show you in this video is adapted from an article by a gentleman named Robert Dumm, D-U-M-M, which I found in a 28-year-old magazine called Piano Today. I have a collection of this particular magazine to which I subscribed in the 90s. The one thing that can get discouraging when you're just getting started at the piano, especially if you're an older beginner, is that everything you're playing is contained within a short range on the keyboard, basically everything that's right in front of you. And this can get tiring after a while. Why is that? Well, your ear wants to hear the low notes and wants to hear the high notes. You want the satisfaction of moving around the keyboard. You want to hear the sweeping, harp-like sound that can only be realized on the piano when you have an arpeggio that goes from bass to treble and beyond. Now, this simple chord progression exercise will solve that problem. Now, this exercise involves more than just your fingers. Your arms play a part because we're going to trade them off, left and right, taking turns. We'll have them crossing over, left, right, left, right, left. You'll also get to use the pedal with this exercise. As you play each arpeggio, you'll catch the lowest note with the pedal and hold it through the broken chord that you're going to be playing right up to the next root bass note, where you briefly lift the right pedal and play the new bass note and then instantly press the pedal to catch and hold again, and so on. So I'm going to switch to the overhead camera and I'm going to show you this particular chord exercise where you get to play some rolling arpeggios, some rolling chords. First, we're going to trade off triads between your two hands in this way. Now, notice the Roman numerals beneath the staff. That indicates the scale step on which the triad is built. In other words, we're using the Roman numeral system here. So the 1 chord is C major, that's built on C. And we have the 5 chord built on G. We have the 4 chord built on F, and so on. So we start by playing the C major triad with the right hand, and then the A minor triad in the left, D minor, G, and then C major, A minor, F, G, and then all the C's. Notice now the left hand comes over the right, and the right hand comes out from under the left. Let me play through that again. So it's C major, A minor, D minor, G minor. You might recognize that as the heart and the soul progression. Only we're dividing it up between the two hands. Left over right, right comes out from under and plays it up here. Now next, we're going to position those triads lower down on the keys, and this is where you will plan to roll them as an arpeggio. So we have there's that heart and soul progression. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And can you repeat that? And then we go on to this, left, right. Now watch what we're going to do here. Left, right, left comes over, right comes out from underneath. The reason we've done this is to help you get your hands in position for what we're going to do here. We're going to roll these chords. We're going to play them as arpeggios. I've got the fingering here. Now, I mentioned before, here's what I'm doing. I'm hitting the pedal, pressing the pedal down, and then as soon as I hit the A, your foot comes up and back down. Foot goes up, back down, foot goes up. Whoops. I tell you, I can't play and talk at the same time. So, then we go on to the next one. Left, right, left, right, left. I'll play it again for you, and I want you to follow along. So we're taking these block chords and we're turning them into beautiful arpeggios and spanning many more keys than you're perhaps used to if you're just getting started. And we'll repeat that one. Keep going. Left, right, left comes over, right comes out, and the left comes back over again. Now, once you've mastered that, don't just leave it at C major, but instead try a new key. In fact, you could just do like key of the day. You can either work your way up the chromatic scale, or you can go through the circle of fifths, starting with C, and then you go to G, or you go to F, depending on which way you want to go around the circle. So for example, if we play this exercise in the key of, let's say, the key of F, it'll sound like this. We have the 1 chord, minor 6, minor 2, 5 chord. So this is like the heart and soul progression in the key of F. Whoops. Left comes over, right comes out. So now you have the opportunity to play that in all the major keys. And then, if you want a little extra challenge, you can extend that ending arpeggio. Let's go back to the key of C. Now jump down to the next one. Now watch this. Left, right, left comes over, right comes out, left, right. Let me do that again and get the left and right thing right. Left, right, left comes over, left, right comes out from underneath, left goes over, right comes out from underneath, and so it sounds like this. You can even start down here. Either way, well, that sounds a little muddy down there, so maybe you don't want to do that. I want to show you, this is a little bonus that's not actually included in the original exercise. But this is an arpeggio, way to play arpeggios that once you master this, you can play it a little bit more quickly, and it sounds harder than it actually is. So we start here, but then instead of the left hand crossing all the way over here, the left hand only comes here and plays these same notes again. So, left hand, right hand, and then the left hand takes over from where the right hand was just playing. Takes over. And so when you speed it up, whoops, I missed the last one. It can end up sounding pretty flashy. Anyway, there's something that you can have fun with. So I hope that this helps you get a feel for playing across the entire keyboard rather than just in the area that's right in front of you, which is very often what happens when you're just getting started playing songs. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comment section. I answer every comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for playing along. I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.